I'm gonna give this a taste. Ooh, a Whopper. Ooh. Hey guys, this is JdizzEats, and today, nothing a special video, but a food review on Burger King's Whopper. Reason why I got it, because I got a buy one, get one. Supposed to get a chicken one too, but they only allow me to get one type of burger, which I got the Whopper. And with the Whopper, it has the lettuce, and that mayo, ketchup, tomato, onions, pickles, and a patty. Wow, this burger is kind of massive than McDonald's. And we're gonna give this a taste and see how it is. The moment of truth. It kind of smells weird. Is that burnt? Well, we're gonna give this a taste. Kind of tastes burnt. They burnt the bun. It's just average. It just tastes weird. I think it's from the bun. I don't think there's no seasoning on the beef. Not my type of burger. Yeah, a little bit soggy. Kind of messy. And then the bun, kind of too stale. Look at that, so stale. I think it's like a 1 or 2 day old burger patty, burger bun. Alright guys, so the Whopper cost about $5.89 a Canadian. Almost $6. And what I think about the Whopper, it's kind of meh. The bun is too stale. Not a fan. It's not piping hot, freshly hot. I think it's been sitting on there for like a day or 1 to 2 days. And the beef patty, lack of seasoning, like salt and pepper, needs that. And then it's just average. Not the best Whopper I ever had, and definitely not the worst. So it's just in the middle, an okay. And I think there's just other burger places that's better and a little bit soggy, but at least the presentation's there. It's pretty clean, but not the taste of the burger. But the only thing I would recommend trying is when you're looking for quick snack, there you go. If you like burgers, or if you're craving for a burger, then there you go. Good time to have a Whopper at Burger King. But anyway guys, if you do enjoy the video, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, comment for any suggestions, and share this to anyone guys. Can we hit 1K subscribers? And guys, it's JdizzEats. And see you guys next video. Bye!